Hey everyone, we're looking at the Dow, and I wanted to just show it on the on Market Analyst, and I think we're really looking at a very dangerous marketplace. Look at this trend line. If we just draw this trend line right from the major tops, we are seeing a consistent downward trend. We also see divergence here as prices are trying to kind of come up higher here. It's not able to do it. We see a break of these averages. This is the 50-day moving average. I have it in yellow. And if we see this take out this 17,400, I think we have a very big shot of seeing this go much deeper, starting to really test these prior ranges, and eventually I think take them out. Keep in mind, if you just draw your trend lines from here, these could be some target ranges where you'd see some potential. But I think on the longer term, we could be seeing a major top forming, and the reason being is you saw prices run sideways for quite some time, a big correction move. You see it try to rally back, but not able to really sustain that. Now we're seeing some dramatic move to the downside, lack of momentum. I really am concerned of the longer term trend on this marketplace. I think it could roll over and it could be a very, very significant move. And if it starts to break down and starts to take out some of these ranges, especially say these highs right here, and starts to break on through here, this could be a very long, protracted bear market and could really we could have already saw the top end in my opinion, and I stated that actually when it happened or very, very close to that date back in May, and just stating that we were kind of going through this. And a matter of fact, I remember saying that there's not too much that can really change it, and I think we got somebody that was wrote an email that couldn't believe it or just felt that that was a ridiculous thing to say. But what people fail to get, especially when we do this type of scenario with technical analysis, is a lot of these kind of breaks create their own kind of. It's kind of like a pre-tremor and an earthquake. You're getting a feel that there could be some very big bearishness coming in, and it would be one thing if it was really there was great capitulation there, and it seemed to a little more final there. But we see the rally back. It's coming back to ranges that were not able to really be exceeded, and then we see really sideways action and a lackluster performance on stocks, and stocks at their very high ranges, and a manipulation as far as I'm concerned with a lot of the economic picture. You have trouble overall, in European area. You have high debt. I just think that we're really poised for a very serious economic condition that could steamroll into something a lot worse. I just think it's important to say it. From a technical standpoint, there's a lot of other things that are some reasons also for my analysis that are going to be in my book. Hopefully, it'll be released before any major correction starts to happen, but I'm having my doubts. But it's going to take at least 3 months to complete that. But I do think that this could be a very bearish move that could last for a while. But I will be outlining it in my book, and why, or at least why people should be concerned in at this time and in the future here coming within this next year. Anyway, we're starting to see some real negative action, and just keep in mind, this is very much, we're really basically where we were very close to the beginning of the year, near March and February. So, that's telling you, should be telling you a lot, that we just ran sideways and really didn't go anywhere. And that's with a lot more spending, a lot more, issues going on with our country. So I think when this music stops, this could be very dramatic and could make the other correction even look smaller in size. And the reason being is that this is the longer term, I think, final potential top that you start to see, and that could be more dramatic.